Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the Chromebook has enough power and the Piso voucher is at hand. That avoids interruptions. Open Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi, and toggle it on so the list of networks appears. Scan the available SSIDs and match the exact name shown on the Piso machine or receipt. Mismatch is the most common source of failure. Once you see the correct SSID, click it so the connection dialog opens and you're ready for credentials. Select the Piso SSID and type the voucher code or password exactly as printed. Case matters, so double-check characters before submitting. Make sure the captive portal loads in your Chrome window. Sometimes it opens as a small redirect. If it doesn't, open a new tab and navigate to any non-HTTPS site to trigger it. Follow prompts to accept terms, pick session length if requested, and confirm. If fields reject your code, retype slowly, watching for similar characters like O versus 0. Once you've accepted terms, check settings to confirm the network shows connected and then load a web page to verify internet access. This final step proves the session is active. If the portal won't accept the voucher or the page never loads, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or restart the Chromebook. This often clears captive issues. If problems persist, try the voucher on another device or ask the kiosk attendant for a replacement. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.